Hey guys, we're back. I'm gonna go over a lot in this video. We're gonna go over paragraphs, text shadows, uh, box shadows, um, and there's one more. I can't think of it. Let's get to work. All right, we got this in bold. Let's change it to P. P is for paragraph, and whatever you put in here, oh crap, whatever you put in the paragraphs, it will make it like it will like align it. And if it gets too long, it will pretty much just do line after line. Okay, this don't make any sense, but I'm just giving you an example of what a paragraph is. I'm gonna save it, go back over here. Oh, I'm uploading the video. Part 4. So refresh. See how that works? That works really good. I really like that. That's what I like about this. Because you can really work with it the way you want it and stuff like that. And you can style it any way you want. Let's go back up to P and give B styling to P. Change it back over, style it, refresh it. Boom. Alright, let's go back over here. We'll get text shadow in a minute. Let's put where it says cars and let's see, not cars and parts, but go back down to content. Right here we're gonna put a simple tag and it's gonna be called HR. And that HR tag is a simple horizontal line going from left to right, horizontal. And it's a small line, but you can style it the same way you style P. You can put HR and then style it. Now watch this. Refresh, save and refresh. You have a simple spacer there. Now let's go make cars and parts a little bit bigger. This part right here, let's make that a little bit bigger. And then let's change it. Let's change this to 2 header. Let's go H3. I like it. Let's go there. And let's push that down a line. Put this here. The name of the website, let's just make it the same thing as the title. And the title is Get Mobile. Alright, let's go back down here and type H1 and type Get Mobile. This is the name of the website. And we'll put a break sign as we did earlier. The BR is a break sign. It's going to break. Actually, I don't even know if we need that. Let's just put a yeah, let's try that out real fast. Put a line here too. Let's see how that looks. That's too much. Take out the break sign. Well, really, we don't need cars and parts because we've got a links right there. Okay. Let's do this. Let's take this, change this to mark Q. What this is, if I'm not mistaken, I could be wrong. I'm pretty sure I'm right on this one. Put H1s around it too. Let's see. I could be. Let's see. Let's try it real fast. I mean, that's what web design is about. You got to test it and stuff. And I think this is right. Yeah, there we go. Marquee, I think that's how you say it. I don't know how you say it. I don't care right now. But it's what happens is it just goes across the screen, and once it gets all the way across the screen, it comes back around. And that's pretty cool. These are just some basic HTML now. But for stuff like that goes across the screen, I recommend putting like a simple sentence. I wouldn't put the main thing. So really, you could make a simple content here, like what the website's about. So you say, for all your car needs and much more. And put that as H2. And then right here, put H1. And then put go mobile or get mobile. Let's try that out. Get mobile. For all your car needs and much more. Put a little period sign, period right there. Just kind of centering up here. Kind of get it the way it looks like on the website, maybe. See, I like that there a lot. Oh, text shadows. Let's hit on that real fast. Text shadows. Let's work on. We're gonna work on H2. We'll give it H2. Well, I thought we had already started it, but we didn't. H2. And we'll give it a text shadow of. Now these are tricky. I recommend just playing around with them a lot. The numbers before you get used to them. But basically they just give a certain amount of shadow certain directions. And this now, what we're doing is we're putting in the color of the text shadow. The color is white. So text shadow, let's just go with something random. Let's try 1111 just to see what it looks like. Or let's try that. See what that looks like. It's there if you can see it. It's gray, but you can't really see it there because it is gray. You barely see it. Let's go up to color and the content and make it blue for now. I think that looks sharp. Alright. Content blue. Let's go down here to the P, font color blue. And remember now you can style it with all different hex colors and stuff and make it look really good. Now let's change this to FF. F. Save it, refresh. And that's what text shadow is. You can do it different ways. For instance, I'm going to take it off by 1. I think the 1, let's see what the 1 does in the middle. It brings it up, and that looks a lot better. Alright. This video is pretty much up. I'll catch you in the next.